What's going on, guys? How you guys are doing? If you're not already, I don't know what you're waiting for. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on that notification bell, so every time I push out new videos to you guys are going to be the first one to be notified. Now give this video a like or a thumbs up. It's going to help with the YouTube algorithm of getting my video out there to the masses for each and every one for you to see around the world. And you know I have to throw out that disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This is no financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a simple guy on YouTube just showing you my journey on how I'm making passive income and helping others to do the same. So we're back here with another video. A successful day today. We did so well in the real estate market. All right, we did $24.21. Let's go. Right, and my money is working for me on autopilot. Now if you're a shy person, you do not need to share this if you don't want to, okay? But if you want to share the opportunity, it's there. The opportunity is right in front of you guys. Now is the time to seize that opportunity, right? We have a real hard asset like real estate, right? Real estate tokenization is here to stay, guys. All right? And if you want to learn more about this, make sure you go to the link in the description right below this video. Click on the link, put in your full name, put in your full email, and make sure you verify your email. If you do not verify your email, you will not be able to see the next page, and you're going to miss out on the opportunities. Okay, so make sure you guys do that. All right, so today I'm going to show you influx of what I've earned. Okay, influx of what I've invested. What I've invested and earned. So I've invested $4,917.71, guys. I'm earned close to almost $4,000, $3,973.88. So we're about 17 bucks away of earning $4,000, guys. Now I'm gonna show you guys something. Look at this number, $4,917. Okay, let me show you guys something. Look, I've withdrawn over $4,291.66, guys. Woo! Time is moving by so fast. I've been a part of this amazing estate journey since October of 2025. It's still cranking, no issues whatsoever, and it's growing, right? It's growing on a consistent basis because you want an opportunity that is not just only is making you money, but is growing on a consistent basis, guys. So take full action of the opportunity. Okay. And also, let me show you guys some properties. We got some amazing, beautiful properties here. Okay, this is the this right here. Let me show you guys the properties. Yeah, so we have the Miami property. You can get started with the Miami property for as low as 10 bucks, and then you can get started with the nice big development property. Is development property, and let me show you development property. Development property is business development property is $255,000. So you got the lowest entry point is $10. The highest entry point is $255,700 dollars just to get started with this. Get a share of the action on this property. All right. So for those who are serious, who's ready to take action, make sure you go to the link in the description right below this video. All right, take action on this. Watch the full information. It's gonna all make sense on how everything works. Okay, We have other properties here. The land plot. The land plot is currently, I'm not level 3. Level 3 access, but little more from now, I will have this property in my portfolio. That's something to add later on down along the line. So with the land plot, it's $51,310. That's the minimum. You're earning this amount every single month, and you're good to go. Earning this per day. Your total profit is this. Okay, break even point is 5 months. Break even point is 5 months. So take that in consideration. Break even point as well. Okay, so I appreciate you guys tuning in, watching my videos. Don't forget to give me a follow, like, share this video. All right, real estate tokenization is not going anywhere. This is just the beginning of the phase of real estate tokenization. Appreciate you guys. Take care and bye for now.